Bright Christmas lights. They're a 2-pack, 240 LEDs. We're going to be opening up the package, showing you what you get inside and what it's all about. From the makers of Bright Hope, this is a 2-package, 120 LED that can be hung up anywhere, anytime imaginable. It is IP rated. It is a 2-pack with 8 modes, 6 hours of charge time by the sun of the solar array panel, and 16 hours of runtime. You can mount it on a wall and you can stake it in the ground. You're given 2 sets to do so. You give all the hardware, screws, anchors, and last but least, the instruction guide to go over in detail. Check online for further details about the coloring designs you are after. On the back of the unit, you have your on and off and your mode cycle button, charging by the sun and when it's on and working with the lighting. When you want to install it correctly into the ground or on the wall, you have this pole mount that slides on to the bottom and locks into place. So you can mark it on the wall and lock it down like so. If you want to stake it into the ground, simply put the stake in and stake it into the ground. Please remember to peel the plastic film off, so this way it can collect correctly the full sun. Each kit has 40 feet of cable, plus 6 feet of an extension cable. You're going to simply unwrap and go place it anywhere imaginable outside. So what we're going to do now is demonstrate the product going on by covering the solar panel and turning on so you can see the LED light multicolors of yellow, green, red, blue. Mode number 2. Mode number 3. Mode number 4. Mode number 5. Mode number 6. Mode number 7. And mode number 8. And again, you go back to the beginning and simply shut off by hitting the on and off button. We have our solar panel. We're going to stick it in the sun when the sun shines in this particular direction. And now we're going to go lay out our cable and hang up a beautiful design. We'll come back in the evening hours after a couple of days of the full sun to charge the solar array panel of the 800 milliamp battery. We'll show you what it looks like in the evening hours lit up. You have a little clamp on top that you can simply lift up and hang on the wall. If we turn on the back, the light lights up. It'll come on dusk to dawn and the lights are lit up in the background. So we're going to go through some of the modes here, the cycles, as you can see. You pick the ones that you like and it'll remember 6 hours. Shut off for 16 and come back on for 6 hours of the same memory. We have the lights on in the back. They could go on different modes, 6 hours of memory timer. They stay off for 16 hours. They charge in 6 hours of time of the 800 milliamp battery on the solar array panel. We could change to different modes. Choose the one you like, and it'll go on to that mode the next day until you change it again. So if you're looking to decorate your backyard, your gazebo, an area of interest, a patio, your landscape, wherever you need to put your 2-pack solar lights, enjoy your product if this is right for you.